everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are doing excellent. So today I have wonderful topic, quite different topic and it's interesting topic, which is shadow practice. Everyone wants to know what is the shadow practice. Some people they know and some people they don't know what is the meaning of shadow practice. So in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to improve our spoken English and how to improve our shadow practice. So if you are new, so please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon whenever I upload related to English and Hindi content, so you easily get a notification and learn English very easily. Yes, and you motivate every day. So my name is Lavanya and I am from Chhattisgarh. So what is
शाबाश बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया।
the meaning of shadow practice? Yes, we want to learn English, but we don't know how to improve our spoken English. Yes, and how to do shadow practice. So suppose I will give one example which is related to shadow practice. First, you pick one video, whatever you want to watch English story, you want to watch motivational story which is related to English, and you want to watch any kind of like normal random conversation and topic conversation related to shopping, related to restaurant, any kind of. So when you will watch, so that time you imitate, and while you are imitating, so you learn vocabulary easily. And what about your pronunciation? You also improve your pronunciation. So it's helpful for you guys. And why I'm saying again and again, you have to do these kind of things. So it's helpful for you. Every day I do. Every day. Even morning time I did 2 videos. Yes, so that's why nowadays I improve lot. Because if you really want to improve your spoken English, so you have to do these kind of things every day and you think in English, so it's helpful for you. And why I told you have to do shadow practice and you imitate, so that times your muscles also practice, that times your muscles open and then you imitate. While you are imitating again and again, so that times your pronunciation also, while you are speaking, so that times your pronunciation also you achieve good pronunciation. What happened guys, we are struggling related to English. The reason is we every day speak in Hindi and our mother tongue, and while we are speaking in Hindi, so that times we are comfortable and dive into the English, so that times we don't know how to speak in English, so that times we think. So you have to think any kind of, you have to catch up any kind of story. I will give another example which is related to thinking English, and I already made one video and I already upload one video which is related to thinking English. So if you haven't watched, so you have to go and then you watch. So it's helpful for you guys. And why I am telling again and again, the reason is because we want to learn English, but we have some excuses. Now I am feeling laziness. Now I don't want to learn English because there is number of vocabulary, and while I am speaking English, so that times my pronunciation, I don't know how to pronounce one word. This kind of, we have lot of things, we have full of question in our mind. So that times we scold, we regret ourselves. The reason is lack of practice. So don't think too much guys, and if you are a beginner, so you have to watch only beginner level video. Don't watch advanced. But some people they want to watch advanced, so this is not good yourself, because while you are watching this kind of video advanced, so that times you forgot. First I will give one example. You don't know like right now what I am doing, and now you want to watch advanced, so this is not good for you to learn English. You are a beginner, so you have to watch only beginner level. You have to step. I will give one example which is related to stairs. सीढ़ी. फर्स्ट हम एक सीढ़ी चढ़ते हैं कि डायरेक्ट 10 सीढ़ी चढ़ जाते हैं. दिस इज नॉट पॉसिबल टू 10 सीढ़ी चढ़ जाना एक ही साथ. दिस इज नॉट पॉसिबल. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई एम टेलिंग यू गाइस, you have to step and then you every day when you will watch, you're watching my video and there is no any subtitle, and if you are a beginner, so you have to switch on subtitle. While you are switch on subtitle, so you got what is the correct meaning. So that's why every day, because while you are watching, so that times you have to on subtitle, so it's helpful for you guys. And what about me? When I will watch related to advanced and sometimes vocabulary, so that times I repeatedly again and again I watch at least one video 3 times I watch, and then I imitate myself. Yes, so that's why I know how to improve my spoken English. And if you really want to improve your spoken English, so you have to do this kind of thing. So it's helpful for you guys. Sometimes what happens, like we want to improve our spoken English, but there is no any good roadmap. So how it is possible to learn English? Like if you want to car driving, but you don't know what is the steering, what is the gear, what is the clutch. So how is it possible to drive a car? This is not possible to. And if you really want to drive a car, so you have to learn what is the steering, what is the gear, what is the clutch, and when I will use gear, and when I will use steering, when I will use clutch. Yes, so these kind of things when you will do again and again, so you definitely achieve your fluency. And you have to make a consistency. While you are making consistency now, so one day you will achieve. And don't think too much, and don't feel like this is burden language. This is not a burden language. It's a simple and very clear and crystal language. Beginning times, that times I'm thinking like it's too burden language. How can I learn? This is not my cup of tea. And then I told myself, this is my cup of tea. I want to learn English as soon as possible because this is my dream. And I really want to become a fluent speaker. And if you really want to become a fluent speaker, so you have to do every day shadow practice and reading practice, and what about writing practice, and you speak whatever you want to. Like yesterday I went market and I bought 2 books. Why I bought? The reason is because when I will learn English, so that times I write all the stories. So that's why I bought 2 books. So these kind of practice, so it's helpful for you guys. When you will do these kind of things, so one day you will definitely fluent speaker. And what about, I will give one example which is related to we are in school time, so that times we have one subject which is Sanskrit. So that times we learned how to what is the Sanskrit. So that times we don't know, that times we mug up what is the meaning of Hindi meaning. So that times we wonder, we don't know. So same thing, if you really want to learn English, so what about Sanskrit? So Sanskrit हम easily पढ़ लेते थे. हमने जब संस्कृत इतना एकदम कठिन था, but that times we learned Sanskrit easily. And what about English? So English, this is not a rocket science. You really want to improve your spoken English, so you have to do these kind of things, and one day you will definitely achieve your fluency. So how was my video? If you like my video, so please like, share and subscribe. And ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय एंड टेक केयर.